I just want to give a huge shout out to Baleaf for sending over these fabulous Baleaf women's biker shorts. These aren't just any biker shorts, these are a game changer for your workout wardrobe. First off, let's talk about the material. It's moisture-wicking, breathable, and most importantly, squat-proof. These shorts move with you thanks to the 4-way stretch fabric that provides moderate compression without feeling restrictive. You can wear them all day long, whether you're running errands or getting your sweat on. Now, can we appreciate the high waistband? It's wide, elastic, and offers great tummy control. No more worrying about your shorts slipping down during yoga or exercise. These belly control shorts keep everything in place, so you can focus on your moves, not your waistband. And the pockets. Oh, the pockets. There are 2 deep pockets on the thighs that can hold your phone, keys, or cards, and a hidden pocket in the waistband for those little essentials. I love having my hands free, whether I'm on a run or just out and about. With a 5-inch inseam, these shorts are perfect for layering under dresses or skirts too. And the gusseted crotch with flat lock seams, no chafing, no irritation, just pure comfort and freedom of movement. Whether you're into yoga, running, volleyball, or just love comfy casual wear, these Baleaf biker shorts are your new go-to. Fashion meets function, and you won't want to take them off. Trust me, these shorts are a must-have for anyone who's always on the move.